All right, we are October 29th. We're at AMP here. So we're going to show you all exactly what's been going on from the get. So the guys are breaking down racking for resale. This is going to be a donation pile that we are working towards giving to the flood victims in North Carolina, and we'll let you know more about that. We are still moving large amounts of just general trash. Everything that you see boxed out here is trash. Those guys will be getting that taken care of. But we are actually starting to move the equipment, sell things that we can sell. This is the mezzanine that we've cleaned off. This was impassable 3 weeks ago. We'll be selling boxes, selling tables, selling coolers. Selling plants. So what we have been doing collectively is just getting rid of trash. Cleaning off desks, cleaning out desks, cleaning out offices. For all of this is going to be put on the market, and we've actually been working at that endeavor. Now, 2 weeks ago, you couldn't walk in here. All of this is cleaned out. This is the smaller section of the warehouse. These tables will leave and they're going to be sold. Within the next 30 days, we'll have all of this rack broke down. We'll have all of the clothes back over towards donations. The equipment is all being sold. The boxes are all being sold. The ink is all being sold. Office chairs, desks, so many things. So right now, I think we've been in here 3 weeks. We've taken approximately 25 dumpsters off, with another remaining, which we'll use. And again, everything's cleaned out. All of the general trash, first and second floors, are taken care of. The printing area has not been emptied out, but everything else has. So as we come more towards a full month and a half in this facility, you're gonna see a lot more cleanliness, things coming off the walls. We've been keeping a sign-in sheet, keeping these people close. And I think I'll let that be it. Thank you all for the opportunity, and we'll talk to you soon.